Okay, so I want to show you how to replace the main beam bulb on a Toyota Avensis T27. First of all, you have all this plastic stuff on top to come off. Usually it's held in by plastic bolts. Take them out, pull them off. Secondly, we need to remove this connection here. Make life much easier. Push this in, disconnect that, move the wire harness back from down here. I don't know if you can see from down here. We are trying to get to this plastic circular cover here. When you take that off, you just twist it to the left, like so. Let them loose, and it just pops out like that. Pull it out. So that's it, pulled out. 1 second. Stop. So once I've removed the plastic cap, this is where you're into here, and there it is. That's the bulb there for this headlight. So what you do is you grab it, so you're gonna get it without taking away the camera. You grab it and you twist it to the right, and it unplugs like so. So if you just zoom out there for a second, we'll see. Okay, so and then when you have it out, there's a clip here. As you can see, there's a clip here. On this, you just pull it forward, disconnect the old main beam or the full beam, and then just when you're putting it back in, it goes back into the same hole it came out of. Very hard to show this on camera because it's just so tight, but it goes in like so, and it twists back up to the left. 1 second. There we go. That's that solid in then, and you just put the cap, plastic cap, back in. And close it up. Like that. And that's it, sealed back up. That's it, closed back up. So that's how you change the bulb on the high beams in the Toyota Avensis T27.